friendly coffee choices for diabetics. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about coffee, one of the world's most popular beverages, and its impact on diabetes. As we all know, coffee can have a significant impact on our blood sugar levels, especially for people with diabetes. But, did you know that not all coffee is created equal? That's right, some coffee choices are better for diabetics than others. In this video, we'll be discussing the different coffee options available to diabetics and what to look for when choosing the right coffee for you. What are the best coffee choices for diabetics? The answer is simple: plain coffee. A plain cup of coffee contains very little sugar, and for most people, it won't raise blood sugar levels. In fact, studies have shown that coffee can actually help regulate blood sugar levels for people with diabetes. But, what about all those fancy coffee drinks with added sugars and syrups? Well, unfortunately, they're not the best choice for diabetics. A typical grande coffee drink from a popular coffee chain contains over 40 grams of sugar. If you're a coffee drinker with diabetes, it's best to avoid added sugars and syrups. Instead, try using a sugar-free sweetener, or add a splash of cream or almond milk for a little extra flavor. Another option to consider is sugar-free coffee drinks. Many coffee shops now offer sugar-free syrups and sweeteners, which can help you enjoy your coffee without impacting your blood sugar levels. But, be careful, not all sugar-free options are created equal. Some sugar-free syrups and sweeteners contain artificial sweeteners, which can have a negative impact on your health. So, be sure to read the label and choose a sugar-free option that is made with natural sweeteners. Finally, if you're looking for a healthy coffee option, consider using natural sweeteners like cinnamon, vanilla, or nutmeg. These natural sweeteners can add a touch of flavor to your coffee without raising your blood sugar levels. In conclusion, choosing the right coffee for diabetics is all about making smart choices. By avoiding added sugars and syrups, using natural sweeteners, and choosing plain coffee, you can enjoy your favorite beverage while managing your diabetes. So, that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more coffee videos.